The global automotive parts import ecosystem is a vital network connecting manufacturers, suppliers, and distributors worldwide. At its core are auto parts importers who ensure essential components like engines, electrical systems, and body parts move smoothly across borders. Between June 2024 and May 2025, over 1 million shipments of car parts were imported globally, marking a 21% growth year over year. The United States, China, and India lead as top exporters, while Vietnam, India, and the US rank as the biggest importers. Companies like GRI Engineering, Advance Auto Parts, and Toyota Motor Vietnam play key roles in sourcing and distributing these parts. The US stands out as the largest importer, with imports valued at nearly $90 billion. Platforms like export-import data make it easier to find reliable importers by providing detailed shipment records and market insights. In a world moving toward electric and smart vehicles, auto parts importers remain essential in keeping the automotive industry running smoothly and meeting evolving demands.